Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mukesh Tech Hub. So I'm going to start a new video series deep learning. So in that basically I'm going to cover the entire life cycle for the neural network, how neural net work, what is the technical skills behind that one, what all are the algorithms, what all are the approaches basically we use to make them functioning. So neural network basically implemented based on the human brain where dendrites receives the input. So for example, suppose I'm seeing something and based on that I'm telling whether it's a dog or a cat. So how input is getting inside our human body and human body is actually recognizing the things. So the actual implementation, how it is implemented, what all are the neurons, how it is basically predicting the things, how it is the learning new things. So this is the basically similar to artificial neural network, or I can say the neural network. So this is the complete phenomena based on the human brains, which is actually accepting the input signals from the data, and based on that we are predicting the something. So compared to theoretical knowledge, I would prefer mainly the practical knowledge, where I will deal with the data and I will design the complete neural network using this TensorFlow, and after that we will predict some results for a banking domain. So I will use some data that is based on the banking data, that is completely customer details, whether a customer is would be part of the bank in the coming years or not, what would be the strategy. So these such things we are going to implement. So welcome back to this my YouTube channels. So let's get started, and first of all, before starting the actual implementation of the artificial neural network, I will go through the entire data set, how the data set is look like, what all are the things we need to before actually feeding it to the neural network, what many things we need to basically perform on the data set, so the model will predict the required results based on that. So first let's quickly jump over to the data set and we'll see how it looks like.